Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing alternative state quarantine. More precisely, we're discussing the notion of canceling reservations at a quarantine hotel or alternative state quarantine here in Thailand. And I've had this question posed to me by folks who are looking to come into Thailand. In fact, I've had it posed by folks who've tried to do this themselves. There's nothing wrong with do it yourself, but understand this is quite a cumbersome process presently. It is definitely not like the process of getting a Thai visa in the past. For this reason, it may be a good idea to go ahead and seek some advice and guidance from a legal professional, folks who've been dealing with this frequently these last few months, because there's a lot of moving parts that go into getting lawfully admitted to Thailand under the current circumstances. Long story short, yes, it may be possible to cancel one's alternative state quarantine and perhaps I should say more precisely, get a refund for that cancellation, but it is difficult. If you do not have proper documentation to show why you need the refund, it might not be refunded. And for a host of different reasons, they have major scheduling issues associated with alternative state quarantine. So getting a refund for cancellation can be something of a cumbersome endeavor. The other thing is, again, and I made a video regarding flights, this is sort of an integrated process now. And a key factor in getting into Thailand right now is what's called a certificate of entry. You need to get a certificate of entry. It's issued simultaneously with a Thai visa. You need to get one of those in order to gain admission to Thailand. And as we've gone over in a video on this channel, they're only valid for a day. So you have to sort of hit the bullseye in getting your alternative state quarantine, your flights, your visa, all of that organized. And for this reason, it's a very holistic approach. As I've said, many of our Thai legal staff, this has proven to be quite a cumbersome process. We've had great success in assisting clients, but it's been success over a tremendous amount of adversity from a sort of logistical and administrative perspective. So the thing to take away from this video, alternative state quarantine is an integral part of being able to get a certificate of entry. If you don't do things correctly and you do things sort of out of order, for lack of a better term, you may end up in a situation where you have to pay for a quarantine facility you're not going to actually use.